How's it going? My name is Brock Davidson and I'm with Florida Seawall Solutions. I'm a junior partner with the company. I run all the operations and the productions on the company. Florida Seawall was brought in at this project right after the hurricanes. The buildings, they're only like 25 feet away. They washed out, causing some serious foundation issues on the building. So we were brought in on an emergency mobilization to temporarily shore up the buildings and then also remove and extract the original seawall. After the hurricanes, there was about 600 linear footage of seawall that had fallen in front of buildings that we would call critical. And so one of the challenging parts of this project was the access. We had limited access. Some areas only about 6 foot of access, and we had to extract the original seawall. So that posed a lot of significant risk and challenges to the overall project. What we ended up having to do was add temporary shoring to protect the buildings. And then also there was a lot of utilities that ran behind the building. We had to protect those as well. So when we extracted the original seawall, all of the soil had to remain in place. So now that we're at the end of the project, some of the good things about this project that we were able to do, we went through the project without any loss of structure. We went through without any real significant shutdown to utilities. And one good advantage, I guess, going with Florida Seawall, because a project this size, it just needs a lot of manpower in order to make this go successfully and smoothly. Along with the manpower, we don't use any subs. We self-perform everything from installing the seawalls to all of the support for the seawall, the tiebacks, and all the concrete work, all of the equipment operations, the dock repairs, and anything that requires any sort of labor, it's all being done in-house.